Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung A10s Wi-Fi and Bluetooth not working. Alright, let's begin. First, open Settings on your Samsung and scroll down to App Management. Tap the filter or down arrow icon and enable Show System Apps. Next, tap the search icon, search for Bluetooth, and open it. Go to Storage, tap Clear Data, and confirm the action. After that, return to the previous screen and open Permissions, and make sure every required permission is enabled. Once that's done, go back to the main settings page and open General Management. Scroll to the bottom, tap Reset, then choose Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap Reset again to confirm. Wait for the reset process to finish, then reconnect your Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth devices. This refreshes your wireless settings and often fixes connection issues on Samsung. That's it for this video. Thanks!